Unlocking financial opportunities, becoming a business consultant for client financing needs. In the dynamic world of finance, the Financing Mastery Blueprint has found that many individuals and businesses are searching for solutions to their funding challenges. Whether it's securing personal credit or finding the right business funding options, the demand for knowledgeable guidance has never been higher. As a business consultant, or simply a person that points people to our free membership, you can step into this vital role, helping clients navigate the complex waters of financing while building a lucrative career for yourself. Let's explore how you can make an impact in this field, what profit-sharing opportunities await, and how you can leverage a well-qualified team of consultants to further enhance your success. Understanding the role of a business consultant. A business consultant acts as a bridge between clients and their financial goals. There are many real estate professionals, automobile professionals, and mortgage professionals that have joined us by simply referring customers and clients, creating ongoing future clients. Many people struggle to find the right funding sources, understand how to improve their credit scores, or navigate the intricacies of government grants. Using this proven blueprint, as an expert in client financing needs, you will provide personalized advice and strategies, helping them secure necessary funding for personal or business purposes. Your role encompasses various services with the Financing Mastery Blueprint, including developing credit builder programs, assisting with loan applications, and offering insights into down payment assistance programs. By positioning yourself as a knowledgeable resource, you create lasting relationships with your clients that can drive referrals and repeat business. Profit sharing, a rewarding incentive. One of the most exciting aspects of becoming a business consultant in the financing realm is the profit-sharing model. When you help a client secure funding, let's say $100,000, you could earn up to 5% as your commission, translating to a potential profit of $5,000. This potential income is particularly appealing because it scales with the funding amounts you assist clients in obtaining. The lucrative nature of this profit-sharing model extends beyond just personal and business credit. By diversifying your offerings, you can tap into various profit streams, including 1. Personal credit services. Profit sharing of $100 per client. Help clients improve their personal credit profiles, boosting their chances of securing loans with better terms. 2. Business credit builder programs. Profit sharing of $350. You will guide businesses in establishing strong credit histories, essential for future growth and funding opportunities. 3. Real estate services. Assist clients in finding houses for sale and rooms for rent, utilizing your expertise to facilitate smooth transactions. 4. Down payment assistance programs. Profit sharing of up to 5% of help found. Connect clients with programs designed to help them afford homes, further enhancing your service portfolio. 5. Grants and loans. Profit sharing of up to 5% of resources found. Explore multiple avenues of financing, including real estate investor lines and freelance funding programs, thus broadening your revenue potential. And leveraging a network of consultants. As a business consultant, you don't have to go it alone. One of the significant advantages of this profession is the opportunity to join a qualified team of consultants. Collaborating with other experts allows you to share knowledge, resources, and leads, elevating your consultancy practice to new heights. This network not only enhances your credibility, but also enables you to offer comprehensive services tailored to every client's unique needs. Work alongside specialists who focus on different areas of finance, whether it's personal loans, business funding, or real estate investment strategies. By pooling your resources, you create a powerful support system capable of addressing diverse financing challenges and expanding your client base. Getting started. No cost, high potential. The best part about becoming a business consultant for client financing needs is that it's free to start. You can dive into this lucrative field without any upfront investment, and it can be part-time, making it accessible to anyone willing to learn and grow. Alternatively, if you prefer a more relaxed approach, you can choose to refer clients to consultants instead of becoming one yourself, still earning commissions in the process. This flexibility in your role means you can adapt your efforts based on your personal goals and availability, allowing you to build a rewarding income stream that suits your lifestyle. Conclusion. A path to financial empowerment with the Financing Mastery Blueprint System. Embarking on a journey as a business consultant focused on personal and business financing needs presents limitless potential. You have the opportunity to transform lives by facilitating funding solutions while creating a sustainable income model for yourself. With profit-sharing opportunities, a chance to join a supportive team, and a low barrier to entry, now is the perfect time to explore this path. Start helping individuals and businesses achieve their financial dreams today, while enjoying the rewards that come from being a trusted consultant in their journey toward financial empowerment. The Financing Mastery Blueprint.